Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel or whatever, I want you to click on the subscribe button. I want you to like, share, make your comments if you want, and also follow us on Telegram. There we'll be putting out one or two useful information and one or two potential trade setup we will be looking out for. So we will be putting everything on the Telegram channel. So if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the Telegram and follow us on Telegram. The link will be in the comment section. Now let's take a look at gold that we will be expecting. Let's start with this movement here. We can see that this is the first impulse move to the upside, right? This is the corrective wave. This is another impulse move. You can see it. We can call it as an higher highs. Then we can now see this as a corrective wave to the downside. This is it. The move is over. So one, two, three. One, two, three, whatever if you want to label it, maybe A, B, C, D, whatever way you want to do that. So this move has already been made finish. So our next potential move is now to the upside. So gold is now ready for the buy. So probably there's something that wants to happen here, which you can say it's a pushed up, right? We might want to start giving us a double bottom around this level. Whatever way go, whatever thing gold does, no problem. The thing is that gold is now ready for the buy. So this could be a double bottom. If it wants to be that way, then no problem. One thing is that gold next movement is a movement to the upside. So we should be expecting gold to take out this ice here, this level here. As you can call it the resistance if you want. Gold should be able to push up and break above it. So we are expecting a new movement to the upside on gold. Gold is ready for the buy. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. You will find the link in the comment section.